I'm going to show you how I do the bud stitch for the Spector sweater. Now, that's not the same as some other bud stitches that you'll see, but this is the one you want to do when you're doing the Spector. What you do is coming 3 down from the live stitch, pick that up and just hold it while you get your yarn ready. You come in and knit the first of those 2 stitches, or those 2 portions of the stitch. Then go up and knit the live stitch up top, and then come back down and knit into the back of the second portion of that stitch. And that's all there is to it. So then you'll do a purl, a knit, and a purl, and we'll do it one more time. Again, you're going to go down 1, 2, 3, pick that up, and then knit the first part of that stitch, go up top to get the live stitch, and then go back down and knit into the back of that remaining stitch. And you'll see you get that bud appearance there. That's it. Good luck.